Police on Saturday seized unaccounted money amounting to Rs 21 lakh at Waithou checkpost in Thoubal District from some government officials. According to highly reliable sources, the officials who belong to the Forest Department claimed that the money was encashed for a forest scheme to be taken up in Thoubal District but could not produce any documents relating to it. Police, after informing the Election Commission and Chief Electoral Officer, have seized the money and deposited it to the Treasury Department, the source said. The source adds the money would be refunded as and when proper documents and proof that it is indeed for the forest scheme. Meanwhile, security forces recovered one 9mm country-made pistol along with magazine, one 7.65mm pistol along with magazine, and 5 live ammunition rounds from Jangaubung village, Kangpokpi district during search operations and area domination conducted in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts on Saturday.